Sì, sì. Oh. No stirring that's gone the morning's air. Looking up onto the sky, listening to the sound of waves. It was so amazing, and you didn't have to pay. You could tell them, man, just by my face. These morning waves make me feel so good. Yes, chilling on the sun. There's no anything to do. These morning waves, they feel so good. I'm chilling on the top of the rocks. These morning waves, they feel so good. I'm chilling on the top of the rocks. And I touched down in the 86. And I know I was a man by the 86. I even fucked this girl that used to babysit. But that was years later, this is crazy. I got negotiated, nigga hated it. And then I said, no, no, no more shit. You got paid a lot, you got paid a bit. No shit. And these are the ways that feel so good. These are the ways that feel so good. Just chilling on the sun. Just chilling on the sun. Yeah. Just make me feel so good. I'm just chilling in the Bronx, with no anything to do. Says it is on the way.